Mortals, heed my words. Today I speak not of battles won or foes conquered, but of a force mightier than any sword. Family. Family is not merely those who share our blood, but those whose bonds transcend time, trials, and tribulations. It is the bedrock upon which our existence stands. My life, wrought with strife and vengeance, once blinded me to the value of family. Yet in my son, Atreus, I discovered a profound truth, the irreplaceable strength found in the love and unity of kin. Family provides guidance, support, and the unyielding foundation upon which we weather life's tempests. It is a sanctuary in a world fraught with chaos. Cherish your kin, embrace them, for they grant you the strength to endure, the wisdom to persevere, and the solace amidst life's harshest storms. Protect those you hold dear, for in their well-being lies your purpose, your strength, and your legacy. Remember this, mortals. Family is not a weakness, but the mightiest armor one can possess, shielding you from the darkest of adversities. In the embrace of family, you shall find the courage to face any challenge, the resilience to endure any hardship, and the love that transcends all boundaries. Cherish your family, mortals, for they are the truest treasures life bestows upon us.